$28,790 and a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. The 2026 Kia Sportage just became the compact SUV value champion. Kia refreshed the Sportage for 2026 with cleaner styling, upgraded tech, and two brand-new hybrid trims that make this one of the smartest buys in the segment. We're talking dual 12.3-inch displays, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto standard, a turbocharged hybrid with 231 horsepower, and class-leading cargo space. This is the family SUV that doesn't make you choose between features and affordability. When it comes to design, the 2026 Sportage actually makes sense now. Gone are the polarizing boomerang-shaped accent lights and awkward low-mounted headlights. Kia installed conventional stacked LED headlights with amber daytime runners that look cleaner and more premium. The front bumper is revised, the tail lights redesigned, and new wheel options range from 17 to 19 inches. The X-Line and X-Pro trims add gloss black accents, roof racks, and LED star map lighting for a more rugged look. The Sportage now looks less weird and more expensive than it actually is. Step inside and you'll immediately notice where Kia really flexed with this refresh. The big upgrade is the panoramic curved display, combining a 12.3-inch touchscreen and 12.3-inch digital cluster into one seamless panel. It's standard on most trims and runs Kia's latest software with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and over-the-air updates. The interface is fast and intuitive, with touch-sensitive climate and audio controls below the screen. The cabin ditches the old vertical air vents for a cleaner, more modern layout. You get heated and ventilated seats on higher trims, an 8-way power driver's seat with memory, dual-zone climate control, and a panoramic sunroof. Rear legroom is generous, and the cargo area offers up to 74.1 cubic feet with the seats folded, which beats the CR-V and RAV4. The materials feel genuinely premium for a sub-$30,000 SUV. Now let's talk about what's under the hood, because there are three powertrains and one clear winner. The base 2.5-liter four-cylinder makes 187 horsepower and gets 28 mpg combined with front-wheel drive. It's smooth but slow. 0 to 60 takes around 9 seconds, which lags behind the Honda CR-V and Mazda CX-50. It's adequate for daily driving, but not exciting. The real story is the new hybrid. Kia added two hybrid trims for 2026, the S Hybrid and X-Line Hybrid. They use a 1.6-liter turbo four-cylinder with an electric motor for 231 horsepower and mid-30s fuel economy. The power delivery is smooth and responsive with instant torque from the electric motor, and the X-Line Hybrid comes standard with all-wheel drive and terrain modes. If you're buying a Sportage in 2026, the hybrid is the move. There's also a plug-in hybrid with 32 miles of electric range, but it sacrifices cargo space for the bigger battery. On the safety front, Kia didn't hold back. Every Sportage comes standard with forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, lane following assist, and driver attention warning. Higher trims add blind spot collision avoidance, rear cross traffic alert, and highway driving assist 2 with lane changing capability. The SX Prestige and X Pro get a 360-degree camera with remote viewing through the Kia app, plus remote parking assist. And here's the kicker. The 2026 Sportage earned IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus for vehicles built after May 2025. Now here's where things get really interesting. The pricing is almost unfair to the competition. Base LX starts at $28,790, the EX starts at $30,590, the X-Line at $33,090, and the loaded X Pro Prestige tops out at $39,690. The hybrid trims will likely start around $32,000 for the S Hybrid and $35,000 for the X-Line Hybrid. That undercuts the Honda CR-V, Toyota RAV4, and Mazda CX-50 in almost every configuration, and you get more standard features plus Kia's 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Honda and Toyota give you 3 years and 36,000 miles. So here's the bottom line. The Sportage delivers class-leading cargo space, excellent safety ratings, generous standard tech, available hybrid powertrains, and a warranty that makes every competitor look cheap. The downside? The base gas engine is underwhelming, and the driving dynamics are tuned for comfort over sport. If you want sharp handling, get the Mazda CX-50, but if you prioritize space, features, value, and long-term peace of mind, the Sportage is borderline unbeatable.